Go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right. Right? Which little finger? Eto, galing naman ni Joel, Baba! Cute naman ni Joel! Baba, look, Chief, have you anyone? Yes, sir. 3 bags full. 1 for the master, 1 for the day, 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Galing naman ni Joel! Ang galing ni Joel! Joel? Yes, Papa. Joel eh. Eating sugar? No, Papa. Telling a lies? No, Papa. Open your mouth. Ha, ha, ha. Galing naman ni Joel. Luklap tayo. Joel. Yes, Papa. Joel. Yes, Papa. Joel. Yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth. Ha,